factor natin yung x raised to 3 minus x raised to 2 minus 10x minus 8. Okay, first step, kunin natin yung coefficient ng leading term, which is yung x raised to 3, and that is 1. And then yung constant term, which is negative 8. Ano nga ba yung factors ng 1? So, yan ay positive and negative 1. How about negative 8? That is positive, negative 1, 2, 4, and 8. Yung mga pwedeng i-divide sa 8. Okay. Okay, next step, multiply natin yung mga factors nila. So, 1, that is positive, negative, 1 times 1, that is 1. 2 times 2, that is 2. 4 times 1 times 2, that is 2. 1 times 4, that is 4. And 8. So, 8 times 1 is 8. Okay, so ano nga ba yung mga to? Ito yung gagamitin natin pang substitute dito sa polynomial function na to. And then yung sagot ay dapat maging 0. Okay? So, let's try positive 1. Yung x palitan natin ng 1. So, it is 1 raised to 3. Minus 1 raised to 2. Minus 10 times 1 minus 8. So, that is 1 raised to 3. Siyempre, 1 pa rin yan. Negative 1 raised to 2, magiging positive 1 na yan. Minus 10 minus 8. And 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 minus 10, that is negative 8 minus 8. So, that is negative 16. So, hindi 0. How about negative 1? So, try natin. Negative 1 raised to 3 minus negative 1 raised to 2 minus 10 times negative 1 minus 8. So, that is equal to negative 1 raised to 3, negative 1 pa rin yan. How about negative 1 raised to 2? So, that is positive 1. So, may minus pa dun. So, that is negative 1. O minus 1. Times, and then, negative 10 times positive 1. So, that is, mayan ay magiging positive 10 na yan. Minus 8. Negative 1 minus 1, that is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 10, so that is positive 8. And positive 8 minus 8, that is 0. Okay, so nakuha natin yung negative 1 as value ng x. So, x is equal to negative 1. Okay, then transpose mo yan, yung negative 1 sa kabila. So, yan ay magiging x plus 1 equals to 0. So, ito na yung isang factor. Okay, then kunin ulit natin yung negative 1. Negative 1. Gamitin natin yung synthetic division. Kunin natin yung mga coefficient ng terms. So, x raised to 3, that is 1. Negative x raised to 2, so that is negative 1. Then, negative 10x, so negative 10 minus 8. Pwede mo rin gamitin yung long division kung gusto mo. Pero gamitin na lang natin tong synthetic division kasi mas mabilis. So, bring down 1. 1 times negative 1, that is negative 1. So, negative 1 plus negative 1, that is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 1, so that is positive 2. Negative 2 plus 2, yan ay negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 1, that is positive 8. And that is 0. Dapat 0 to. So, yan ay 1x. Or, huwag na lang natin lagay yung 1. Then, anong exponent nito? That is 2. Then, minus 2x minus 8. Then, kunin natin yung isa pang factor, that is x plus 1. Then, yan na ba yung sagot? Siyempre, hindi pa. Pwede pang i-factor itong x raised to 2 minus 2x minus 8. Okay, so factor natin yan. So, dalawang parentheses. So, x square, so dalawang x. Okay, so ano yung dalawang number na kapag pinag-multiply mo ay negative 8, and then kapag pinag-add mo ay negative 2. So ano ba factors ng 8? Factors ng 8 ay, isang factors niya ay 4 times 2, di ba? Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Pero pag pinag-add mo yun, 4 times 2, that is 6. Pero tandaan nyo, negative yun. So dapat negative din. So dapat negative din yung isang sign. So negative 4 times 2, that is negative 8. And negative 4 plus 2, that is negative 2. So that is negative 4 and positive 2. Then, x plus 1. So ito na yung factors ng x raised to 3 minus x raised to 2 minus 10x minus 8. So ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayo natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.